XRP is crashing massively right now, and in this video we have to talk about what is going on. It is breaking news. There is FUD dropping the price of XRP. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and you stick around to the end of this video. I have something incredible to share with you that you cannot miss. Guys, look at XRP. It is crashing literally from the top all the way to the bottom, down 10% in just about a day or two. In the Patreon, we did sell XRP at the top. This was our target to take profits for those of us who are traders in the group. So now we are sitting with cash and we can buy the dip on XRP at a cheaper price. But there is FUD driving the price of XRP. Let me share it with you right now. So we see that 5 hours ago, Judge Torres has denied the party's motion for indicative ruling. If jurisdiction were restored to this court, the court would deny the party's motion as procedurally improper. So this has nothing to do, ladies and gentlemen, at all, according to the Ripple lawyer here. Let's go and read what he says. But it says, nothing in today's order changes Ripple's wins. An example, XRP is not a security, etc. This is about procedural concerns with the dismissal of Ripple's cross appeal. Ripple and the SEC are fully in agreement to resolve this case and will revisit the issue with the court together. So this is just a procedural occurrence within the court. Has nothing to do with XRP not being a security, with XRP not winning the lawsuit. So guess what? It's FUD and it is giving us cheaper prices. But I'm going to tell you something very, very important. Sorry for that. I'm going to tell you something very, very important. Bitcoin looks like it is topping out. We are forming lower highs, and I think it's getting ready to roll over. If we take a look at altcoins, we take a look at the USDT dominance, it's starting to bottom. If we also take a look at Bitcoin dominance here, it is bouncing really, really hard and finding support. So when this occurs, ladies and gentlemen, altcoins will pull back, correct, and ultimately go lower. And this is just the short term. There is a lot of really bullish things taking place next week, which we have to also talk about. But most importantly, you guys need to be in the Patreon. We bought XRP at $1.67 just recently and sold at $2.60. If you guys want to have the most accurate trade alerts in the world that are making people a fortune, which including we bought WIF, which did a 3x, join the Patreon right now. And also make sure you guys sign up for my mentoring and apply. I'm opening a mentoring for a very limited time to a limited students if you guys want to learn how to become professional crypto traders. But next week is going to be crazy. Donald Trump has mentioned that there is a lot of deals on the table that they could go into effect next week. Donald Trump also mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, that there's going to be some really big deals next week with a lot of other countries. We've been talking about China. There's a lot of stuff going on. So I'm thinking next week, if we get a pullback here soon, we have pulled back today. Altcoins are severely in the red today. But if we get a pullback, it's going to be a buying opportunity for altcoins and cryptos if we start to break out and go crazy here next week with all the new headlines that are going to come out. It's going to get crazy, guys. Make sure you are using ALGOSNIPER, which gave you a buy alert on the bottom of Bitcoin before this massive crash. It gives you a sell. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. Make sure you guys are also trading over on Blowfin. This is the platform that me and my community trade on, but they're going to give you a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. And in addition to that, you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet on any exchange in the world, period, with this platform. Everything I'm talking about is in my video description, so make sure you guys check out the links in my video description. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications on, and I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.